Very important. We all can add 2+2 very easily. Maybe very soon AI will do that for us too. But how do we get creative about things that we like? You know, whether it is science, whether it is math, how do we really think out of the box? So that's where creativity comes. In our classes, we just don't give them all the material and tell them to follow. They have to be creative and figure out a way to solve the point or the experiment that they are trying to do. Confidence, very important. You know, walking up to the stage, speaking to a room full of people, I think that's going to be a very, very critical skill going forward. Communication and confidence. So, go together hand in hand. How much children, when they do things themselves, how much can they explain to the others? How much can they express? How can they share their observations, whether it's with their friends, with their parents, with their peers? It's very important that children can speak up as to what they are experiencing in terms of what they are learning. And that strengthens those neuron connections as well, and hopefully make sure that they remember what they have learned. So those 4 things are extremely important in each of our class when we follow that, whether it's enrichment or it's in holiday camps. Alright, as I said, we foster natural curiosity, very important point. All children are born to be human. These are the most curious creatures. Born
Just 2 more. I want to give me back the milk. Okay, I'm gonna take it. Can you put up, please? Can you put up, please? You want the milk, huh? Like the milk?
Do you want to try?
Sure.
Thank you.
You like this biscuit? You like the milk one? just like fish, you don't know how to color yet.
Most of these workshops, as I said, are hands-on, which is really explored all the activities themselves. Sometimes parents will ask me how you design the workshop, how they are actually because when you do a culture responsibility, a lot of things themselves.
Baby.
Why we do this for young children. And by the time they are 11, 12, they are trying to already platform for them to explore the extent of whatever they want to do
Thank you, Casey. You may now take a break.
So I think it's very important that as parents, you guys play a big role in fostering curiosity at home too. A lot of questions I'm sure are asked by children to you, like I was. And we as educators try and do that in classroom as well. And together as a team, we can really make learning effective and fun for children, which is what I think is very important for anyone who has children around. So thank you very much. I just want to keep it very short. I know you guys have had a long day, but if you are interested to know a little bit more about the program, I'm here for a couple of more minutes. But have a lovely afternoon and thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Miss Didi. We really appreciate the science hub you brought to the stage, and it really, I'm sure it helped a lot of parents. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. All right, now children are ready for and if you haven't, you can bring your child over and get them registered as well. No problem.
OK， 你拿一个 iPhone 跟一个小白菜选，如果你觉得好会找，选常用的，比如讲课程或者是主人家，你看我们做的好不好？你觉得我们做的好，你要找我们也是可以的。
Thank you.